How to convert a video file into an audio file. First of all, open your browser, type AIMP, click on the search button. When it opens, click on the first link. When it opens, come to this place, select the English version of the website. When it's done, you click on this for Windows, then you come back, you scroll down, you see download. We have 32-bit and we have 64-bit. So if you want to know what your machine is, you just come to your computer or this PC, go to the properties. When you go to the properties, system type, my own is 64-bit, so I'll download the 64-bit. If your own is 32-bit, you download 32-bit. So you come back to the Chrome, mine is 64, so I'll click on download and wait. When the download button comes, it will start downloading. Then you go to where the download is. I have it already installed. So you go to where the download is, you click next. After it's done installing, you look for the video you want to convert to audio. You come, for example, I want to convert this video. To audio. So first of all, I'll right click. Then I'll see the app I installed, the audio player. Then I'll hover on it, come to convert to other format. Then I'll select the format mp3. Then move to output where you want to save the video. So I'll just put it on the desktop, press OK and click start. So the video will be converted into audio. Just wait for some time for it to finish. Done. When it's done, you can close. We saved this one at the desktop, so we'll go to the desktop. Look at it. It is here. So when I click on it, it plays. So that is how we convert video file to audio. Thank you for watching and